Hey everyone, I want to introduce you to the newest addition at Big J's Garage. This is our new to us 2018 Sportsman 570 SP. Picked this up about a week ago with the intention of riding with my son on some of the trails that we have here in the state. But before we can do that, we're going to do a bunch of stuff to it to get it ready for the trails and get it ready for how I want it outfitted. So I'm going to go through a couple things on it here and show you. Because I'm sure you're going to have some questions and be interested in a few things about it. So a quick walk around. Picked this up on Marketplace. I'd been looking for a while for a machine that would work for what I wanted anyway. A must for me is EPS, electronic power steering. I'm a firm believer that once you ride a machine with it, you won't ride one without it. And being that this is going to be for my son, we do 200-mile days. My wife might go out, or my daughter. I want a machine that's comfortable for them. And my machine has EPS, so I don't want to exclude them from having a luxury that I have as well. Just wouldn't be fair now, would it? This machine, again, like I said, I picked it up on Marketplace. It has about 1,000 miles on it, 1,026 to be exact, or 1,068. I think it's 1,068. We'll check it out. So yeah, so 1,068 miles on the odometer. My hours, about 300 hours. But it seems to be in good shape. It's got a couple scratches. It is the painted plastics after all, which is not a machine I'd go out and buy brand new, because that would make me cry the first time I did that. But overall, it seems to be in good shape. And like I said, a couple bumps and bruises, but it's going to get a lot more the way we ride. So do want to do a couple things to it, so stick around on the garage the next couple weeks. We're going to have some videos, just some things we're going to do mechanically. It's set and ready to go. So just want to put some other accessories on it. So hit that like and subscribe if you want to be notified for that comment. And I will talk to you soon. Thanks for stopping by today. Bye-bye.